In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a stop loss on Kraken Pro with this step-by-step tutorial. Whether you're new to trading or looking to brush up on your skills, understanding how to use a stop loss is an essential tool for risk management. So let's dive right in. First of all, you'll need to ensure that you're switched over to Kraken Pro. If you haven't already done this, you'll want to start there. Kraken Pro is a more advanced version of the standard Kraken platform, offering a suite of tools and features designed for traders who want greater control and precision in their trades. By getting familiar with Kraken Pro, you'll have access to features that can significantly enhance your trading strategy. Once you're on Kraken Pro, what you'll want to do next is navigate over to the Trade section. This button is likely to be found on your main dashboard. Clicking on this will open up a range of trading options available for you. Afterwards, focus your attention on the Trading Options menu. You'll see a button labeled Limit, which will have a small drop-down arrow next to it. Clicking on this drop-down reveals additional options tailored to advanced trading methods, one of which is the stop loss that we're going to work with today. A stop loss is an order placed to sell a security when it reaches a certain price, which can be crucial for minimizing potential losses in a volatile market. Now select Stop Loss from the drop-down menu. This step allows you to establish a point at which you'll automatically exit a trade if the market moves against your position, hence safeguarding your portfolio from significant losses. It's essential to choose a stop-loss limit that's sensible for your trading strategy, so consider the level of risk you're most comfortable with. Next, you need to add a trigger. This is essentially the price point at which you want the stop-loss to activate. Carefully determine this amount, taking into account factors like market trends, historical price data, and your overall risk strategy. Enter your desired amount into this field, ensuring it aligns with your trading goals. By doing so, you're setting precise limits for trade exit, which can provide peace of mind and non-stop protection against market downturns, even while you're not actively monitoring your position. Remember, a stop loss is a critical tool for anyone looking to protect their investments from unexpected downturns. And by setting it correctly, you enable yourself to trade more confidently. By practicing with Kraken Pro's features, you'll not only hone your skills but also ensure that your trading strategy is robust and resilient against the ever-fluctuating tides of the market. And there you have it. You've just learned how to effectively set a stop loss using Kraken Pro. With this knowledge, you can trade with greater assurance and security, knowing that you have a reliable system to limit potential losses. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, happy trading!